How are you? Ah, today is beautiful because I woke up with I woke up not really feeling strong, but I had to be strong for myself. So I had to take myself out, and I'm in this beautiful place. This place is really beautiful. It's cool, like you can see the green. These green leaves is just giving me a lot of inspiration, a lot of calmness. It's helping reducing the stress I'm undertaking right now. So the whole place is beautiful. I'm in a place called Marina Resort in Calabar, and this place is surrounded by water. It's a kind of sit out where you can sit and just relax. So today, though I'm not really strong to jump around, but at least I'm happy that I can start talking because it was bad in the morning. I said, no, I can't be inside the house. If I'm inside the house, it will become worse. Let me just step out. So I'm here today. Hello, and a warm welcome to this channel for today. If you're just tuning in for the very first time, you're highly welcome. You're highly welcome to this beautiful and exciting moment again. Speaking with you today is Esther Efia. And today I'm in this beautiful place. It's so beautiful and it's medicine. I use the word medicinal because it's natural. It helps relieve your stress. This place is it's beautiful. When I say it's beautiful, I mean it. Actually, I love nature. I am a nature lover. I'm a nature lover, so since I love nature, I just noticed most times when we want to relieve stress, stress can be relieved when you just come sit, look at nature, and the stress is relieved. Yeah, I just did that to myself. And this stress, I had a lot of stress in the morning. It was so hectic. It was so bad. The stress was so much that I couldn't talk. I barely could walk. I just had to bundle myself down here. Hey. And now I'm talking. I'm smiling. So nature is it's really good to relieve stress. So when anytime you're stressed, this is what I used to tell people when I'm counseling them mentally. Anytime you are stressed, especially emotionally or mentally, aside from physically, maybe you're working too much, take enough time, rest, relax, go out from your house. Like, let it be that because your brain, your mind is so used to the walls of your house, and it makes no difference to you when you're stressed and you're still in the same house. It's not healthy. So it's always advisable at least you step out, you have some strolls, you walk out. In the evening you can just stroll around, look at the sky, it is healing. You see this green trees shed, it's healing. It passes a message to your mind, it passes a message to that part of you that is stressed, and it heals you. So whenever you're stressed, I'm advising you, at any moment you're stressed, just take yourself out from that environment that is causing the stress. It's toxic. Yeah. Mm-hmm. it's toxic. So you take yourself out from that toxic environment, conquer the toxicity of that place by stepping out. Go to a place beautiful, go to a place where you can calm your nerves. It can relax your mind, it can makes you heal, and it's important you go to where it's natural, where you can just see nature and you communicate. As you're sitting there, you're just looking at the flower, you're just looking at the grass, you're communicating. The stress level in you is communicating with the nature, and that's how you're relief. That's how you are relieved. I'm telling you the truth. So me sitting here, looking at this water in front of me, I'm relieved. I'm relieved. It's relieved the stress. The way I'm looking at the water, swinging, moving, flowing, and everything. It's reducing the stress in me. I'm telling you. So whenever you are stressed up again, do you know stress can increase to properly? Let me talk about a little of burnout. If you're a staff and you're working and you're just working, you're stressed from work and everything, you're just working. It can cause burnout. And burnout can cause depression. Depression can cause suicide. And suicide can cause death. So one of the steps to avoid burnout is you to take time to relax. Go to beautiful sites. Take yourself out. If you want to swim, go swimming. If you want to stroll, go strolling. Anything you want to do, do it to relieve your stress. Don't come and die in silence. Don't come and die in silence. I'm just seeing some persons passing with the boats, and it's beautiful. Maybe I can show you. Let me check if I can show you. You can see the water. Yay. You can see the water. Yay. You can see them. It's beautiful. I've not entered a boat before. They're just singing. I don't know if they're having a party celebration, but it's beautiful. Yeah. So that's how the whole thing is. So when you are stressed, it's important you leave the environment that is causing the stress. It's important you step out. It's important you just get yourself relief. If you have friends, sit out with friends, just laugh, smile, smile. Like I just did that. So you just learn to smile and relieve the stress. So rather than you staying in the same environment that is causing you to be facing this toxic, yes, learn to be free from toxicity. Yeah, learn to be free from toxicity. And immediately you do so, immediately you do that, you will discover that, yeah. So, today I'm in this beautiful place in Kara. Wow. If you are not here, if you've not been here before, you're missing out. This place is beautiful because I don't know if you can see from, you've seen the nature, you've seen the nature. Man, I'm getting healed. Yeah, I'm getting healed by nature. Nature is healing me. Like, I'm healed. I'm healed. I'm healed. So, I'm getting healed by nature. I'm just seeing these beautiful trees, looking at the sky, looking at the sun, looking at everything. So, it's over here you pay entrance fee of 100 naira, and you just with 100 naira you can come and reduce your stress. I'm telling you, with 100 naira you can come and kill that stress. Come and catch funds. Just wash the stress off with 100 naira. Eh? So I don't want you to die inside. I don't want you to be so isolating. That's why I'm bringing this to you. With 100 naira, you can heal the stress. So let me take you around and show you how this beautiful place is. So join me. So this is where I am. I'm beside the water side and I'm going to allow you see it. Please, if you are feeling stressed, step out from your house. Go to somewhere beautiful and relieve that stress in you. So here I am. I'm seeing water. See water. See water. You've seen water. You've seen? This place is beautiful. This place is beautiful. Like, it's beautiful.